So I'm here for the Friday the 13th event, and I'm just starting from the lighthouse first, and then I will go to the bike section, to the road. We'll show you bikes. As you know, this tradition started in 1981 with from the guy Chris. He and his 26 friends came over here, and then from there this tradition started, and so far it's going good.
Everybody make it. It's good.
The bike behind is unbelievable. Lots of people are seeing this bike because this is made of, I think, recycle items. This is unbelievable, by the way. Someone worked very hard. Here is the lighthouse in the back. You can see. Sorry?
Do you shoot YouTube stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I spoke to you before.
Oh, last time, right?
Yeah, you were down.
Yeah. I came every year. Okay, so I talked to a guy who met me last time, and he saw me and he recognized me. So we had a little bit chit chat, and it was nice. I like people remembered me. People remembered me. Bike. Ducati. There you go. Thank you.
I'll take our picture.
Behind my favorite Ducati is there as well, so I will take a shot of Ducati as well. Here I will show you lots of bike for sure. Okay, so at this moment I'm at Main Street and walking. Now I'm coming. This time I'm seeing lots of police.
93.
Nice bike by the way. This is a 2500cc bike, unreal.